Hello and welcome back to Health Horizon. I'm Dr. Thomas, and if you're new here, this is the channel where we dive deep into evidence-based health solutions that actually work. We've all heard that chia seeds are amazing for weight loss. They're everywhere. People add them to morning smoothies, drink chia water throughout the day, and sprinkle them on salads. But what if I told you that chia seeds aren't the only seeds that help with weight loss? What if there is a powerful seed combination that melts fat faster than chia seeds and reduces waist size more quickly? The surprising thing is that almost nobody is talking about this seed duo. Today, I am going to share an incredible alternative to chia seeds that research has proven is especially beneficial for people struggling with stubborn belly fat that just won't go away, even after trying other methods. Now, don't get me wrong, chia seeds are genuinely great and have many health benefits beyond weight loss. They're packed with omega-3s, specifically in the form of ALA, which is super beneficial for vegans and vegetarians. They're also incredibly high in fiber. Just 2 tablespoons give you about 10 grams of fiber. And because they expand in your stomach, they make you feel full, so you eat less, reduce your calorie intake, and that's how chia seeds help with weight loss. But here is the thing: chia seeds simply don't work for some people because they don't target stubborn belly fat from every angle. However, the seed combination I am about to share with you today attacks even the most stubborn belly fat from every possible angle, making it much easier to reduce waist size and lose weight. So let's dive into the details without any delay. Number 1. Flax seeds. The first seed in this combination is flax seeds, also known as linseed. You have probably heard of flax seeds or flaxseed oil because they are also incredibly high in omega-3s. Many people use them for their health benefits. But most people don't use flax seeds correctly to maximize fat burning and get the best results. There's an incredible study from 2017 that was actually a meta-analysis of 45 different research studies, focusing solely on whether flax seeds help with weight loss. The results from all these studies were absolutely amazing. After analyzing data from all 45 studies, researchers concluded that flax seeds play a significant role in weight loss, reducing BMI body mass index, and decreasing waist measurements. Some studies showed waist reduction of up to 2 inches in just a few weeks. So how do flax seeds deliver such amazing results? First, they're extremely high in soluble fiber, which slows down the digestion process and keeps you feeling full even longer than chia seeds. They're also an excellent source of omega-3s, which reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. Plus, they contain a special plant compound called lignans. These lignans help balance fat metabolism and estrogen hormones, which is especially beneficial for women trying to lose stubborn belly fat. Research also shows that using flax seeds improves cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and helps balance hormones in your body. Here is the most important point and the biggest mistake many people make: they eat whole flax seeds, which don't provide much benefit because our digestive system can't break them down properly. That's why you should only use ground flax seeds. According to research, you need at least 30 grams of ground flax seeds daily to see weight loss results. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. The second seed in this combination is fenugreek seeds. Most people don't know about these, but they've been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Now, modern science is also recognizing their benefits. Research shows that fenugreek seeds improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, which reduces fat storage in your body. They also suppress appetite, so you eat less, which greatly helps with weight loss. They're particularly effective for stubborn belly fat, especially for women with hormonal issues like polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). Fenugreek seeds contain a special compound called galactomannan. This is actually a soluble fiber that expands in your stomach, slows down the digestion process, and improves insulin sensitivity so your blood sugar doesn't spike suddenly. The challenge is that fenugreek seeds don't taste great. They have a slightly bitter, unusual taste that many people don't like. But if you start drinking them consistently for a few days, you'll gradually develop a taste for them. Now here is where it gets really interesting. When you use ground flax seeds with fenugreek seeds daily, the benefits are nothing short of magical. Together, these two seeds give you a powerful combination that significantly helps melt fat, reduces appetite, balances hormones, keeps you feeling full longer, reduces body inflammation. Improves fat metabolism, reduces cravings for carbs and sugar, prevents insulin spikes, puts your entire body into fat-burning mode. Because of all this, both seeds work together to attack stubborn belly fat from every angle, giving you excellent results. So how do you use both seeds together correctly? Morning is best for flax seeds. Take 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds and add them to a smoothie, mix them in water and drink, or add them to oatmeal or any food. This kick starts your metabolism in the morning and puts your body into fat-burning mode. Most people only focus on fat burning in the morning, but what about evening? And night? This is where fenugreek seeds come in. In the evening, take 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds that you have soaked in water for at least 10-12 hours beforehand. Before dinner, chew and eat those seeds, and also drink the water they were soaked in. If you can't tolerate the taste of fenugreek, you can take fenugreek seed supplements containing 5001000 mg of fenugreek powder. The benefit of taking them before dinner is that your sugar levels stay stable, and when you sleep, your body easily goes into fat-burning mode. Using both together this way helps eliminate stubborn belly fat much faster than chia seeds alone. Flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses containing healthy fats, protein, calcium, and magnesium, which strengthen bones and improve brain function. They improve blood circulation, reduce risk of heart disease, and strengthen the immune system. The lignans in flax seeds help protect the body from cancer, purify blood, support the hormonal system, and provide essential nutrients for healthy skin. Fenugreek seeds contain iron, zinc, and vitamin B6, which help with blood formation, increasing energy, and reducing fatigue. They maintain proper water balance in the body and support kidney function. Fenugreek seeds reduce stomach infections, eliminate acidity, and keep metabolism stable. They purify blood, make skin soft and smooth, reduce hair loss, support nerve health, and strengthen the body from within. Now let's talk about some precautions. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have diabetes, consult your doctor before starting these seeds. Fenugreek seeds lower blood sugar, so people taking insulin or diabetes medication should monitor their sugar levels regularly. Taking flax seeds in large quantities can cause gas, bloating, or loose stools in some people, so start with small amounts initially. Always use both seeds fresh, clean, and properly stored. Chia seeds are beneficial, but if you are not getting results from them or want to target stubborn belly fat from every angle, definitely try this combination. Remember, consistency is key in any health journey. I want to hear from you. Try both of these seeds for a few weeks and share your experience in the comments below. What changes did you notice in your body composition and energy levels? Before you go, if this video provided valuable insights that could help you on your health journey, please give it a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people who need this information. Don't forget to subscribe to Health Horizon and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest evidence-based health content. We're constantly researching and bringing you natural solutions that are backed by science. Thank you for trusting Health Horizon with your health education. I'm Dr. Thomas, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue exploring natural ways to optimize your health. Until then, take care of yourselves and remember your health is your greatest wealth.